Hello everybody, this is Hong Long from Hong Long Wuxia, and today we're going to go over the 24th posture, crossing hands, also known as the invincible posture. So from here, turn, cross the hands, and horse stance. Breathe in, and breathe out. Breathe in, and breathe out. Do it from another angle. Breathe in, and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. All right, everybody, I'm Hong Long, and that was the 24th and final posture in Tai Chi for noobs, crossing hands or the invincible posture. As always, if you like the video, hit the button down below. If you haven't already, subscribe over to the right, and be sure and join us next time when we will go over the fourth and final section, and then we will finish up with going over the entire form. Until then, keep practicing.